Hi, my name is Elena Rugal and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet beautiful green clover shamrocks. For example, I made such shamrocks of different colors of yarn. Here how they look like. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's crochet shamrock. I begin the work from the ring. So for this chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by working with a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Make 9 single crochet stitches. Make a chain to bring up the yarn and 9 single crochet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then I skip the first chain stitch. Now insert the hook into the first stitch of this row. Make a slip stitch. Round 1 is ready. Let's crochet 3 petals. Make a chain. Make single crochet into the same stitch that we did a slip stitch into. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook twice. I hold all loops with my finger. Insert the hook into the same stitch that we did single crochet. Make treble crochet. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. I do not finish this stitch. Make the second treble crochet not finish and pull through all loops on the hook. Then chain of 3. Now I'm working with these 2 stitches. Let's work with the stitches. It is going to be the first leaf of my tree. I remind you, in total it should be 3 of them. Now I'm working with this stitch. I put in this way because it's very comfortable for me. Now yarn over the hook twice. Make 3 treble crochet not finish. 1, 2, and 3. Then double crochet not finish. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Then single crochet not finish. It is going to be only 1. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's count how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2 loops on the hook. I did 6 times. Now I turn the work. While turning, I remove the hook and insert it into these 2 loops to continue the work. Now I'm going to work in the same way as I showed you before. Work with the second stitch. Make 3 treble crochet not finish. 1, 2, 3, then 3 double crochet not finish. 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the same stitch. I do not finish this last stitch, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. My first leaf is ready. Then chain. I turn the work. I'm looking for 3 chain space. Insert the hook into this chain space, make a slip stitch. Then chain more. Now I'm looking for the stitch that is the top of my 2 stitches. Now insert the hook into this stitch, make a slip stitch, then chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make single crochet into this stitch that I worked before. So my first leaf of these 3 is ready. This is front. Let's look at the back side. This is 3D leaf. So looks beautiful. You can use such leaf like a decoration for home or hat. It can be perfect like accessories for necklace or earring. Also, it can be the separate part of big project. Let's crochet the second leaf. Make single crochet into the next stitch. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. Then make a cluster made of 2 treble crochet. Let's make the first one. Then crochet the second one. Then pull through, chain of 3. Then you should crochet trim around these 2 stitches. The second and the third leaf you should make in the same way as I showed you in this video tutorial. This is 3D leaves. This is front, and let's look at the back side. And my adorable 3D shamrock is almost ready. After I did single crochet into the stitch, I continue working. Make single crochet into the next stitches. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Then make chain of 7 for the stalk. You can crochet more chains. Make single crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook and single crochet into the each chain stitch like this. I have done all stitches. Now insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet like this. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet, pull up a loop, then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then pull through 2 loops. Let's make some single crochet. 1, 2. Now insert the hook into the first stitch. This is the first stitch that I worked into in this round. Make a slip stitch so everything correct, and I can cut off the yarn. Let's look at the work. My shamrock is ready. You can use any colors of yarn to create such amazing shamrock. For example, I have done exact motif made of different shapes of green color. Here how they look like. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Also, it can be perfect for earring, pendant, necklace or chain case. Good luck in crafting. Please write comment below the video what you will get. Thank you so much for watching and crochet with me.